Do you need to remove an element from an array list, but you're not sure where it's located? There's a remove method for that. Come on, let's learn some Java.
This remove object will search the array looking for obj. If it finds it, it will remove it and return true. Otherwise, it will return false. So if we have weekly sales and then sales mon for Monday, new sales 100 Monday, and we try to remove that from the weekly sales, it will search and find that item at index 0, and it will remove it from the list and return true. Notice that the array list now only contains the sales items for Tuesday and Wednesday. If we then say weekly sales.remove new sales 150 Wednesday, that will search the list and it will find it at element 1, remove it, and also return true. If now we say remove equals weekly sales.remove new sales 100 Thursday, Thursday won't be found in the list and false will be returned.
Be sure to like and follow, and check out the links in our description.